Hello, everyone, me Lego Team Bar. Today, I got the Lego Harry Potter collection remastered. So this is the new remastered Harry Potter for Nintendo Switch. Got my Switch, got Harry Potter right here. So yeah. So I got this game literally like 10 minutes ago, no joke. And I'm really excited to open this. I'm still playing DC Villains, by the way. It's a very good game. I'll do a review. Also, the tin, I got the tin, so I'll show that in a review for doing that. So I'm gonna unbox this and show you what's inside, and I'll show you the startup screen and stuff like that. So, yeah. Oh, this is better. So here we got like $7 off the Fantastic Beasts: The Crime of Grindelwald. I heard it's a good movie, so I'll use that coupon. So yeah. So here's the game. And oh yeah, it's cool. Yeah. Let's unbox this. Oh, so nothing's basically the game. So it's gonna be like a fast unboxing. Lego Games, Wizarding World, and Warner Bros. Because they owned each like a Harry Potter. So yeah, Wizarding World is the name of the new brand. So yeah, let's unbox this. Let's get in. Harry Potter. Let's see my updates. Oops, no internet software update. And while it does that, I'm going to actually. Dude. There, I got 50 points towards a new game. So is that updated? Oh, it's already updated. That's good. That's pretty good. Oh, wow. So, scroll change up. Yes. Oh, that's right. Look at that. What the heck? Oh, where's it going? Yeah, switch off system. Oh, see this. Oh, wow. Oh, reflections. Oh dang, that's cool. Let's screw it. There's a face reveal. I don't care. I'll just add my button. The game. Launch your show game. So, the game. Oh, it was 1 to 4, so let's say 1 to 8's present after that, probably, and then presents. Doesn't mean no. Oh, new game. Duh. Oh, slot 1. Confirm. What's the head of Harry Potter? Save successful, and then start the game. You know the story. I don't want to spoil anything if you haven't seen the movie, but yeah. So yeah, that was it for this really quick unboxing video. Me and Lego Harry Potter are gonna play this game. It looks pretty cool. Yeah. And yeah, hopefully I like the game. It's like the original games. I played a little bit of 1 to 4. And, yeah. These Harry Potter games are good. It's basically a remaster is basically the same game, but better graphics. And, let's look at the box, back of the box here. So basically you get 2 big games, which were worth like $100 combined back then, for $50, which is like half off. Which is a good deal. And I think you should buy it. If you like long Lego games and puzzling games and Harry Potter, it's a perfect game for you. Maybe review. I don't really do game reviews that much or at all. And yeah, I still need to finish DC Villains because I haven't done that because of school. And yeah, that was the video. Bye.